Hi Cancer, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 22nd to August the 25th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And nagla-live din po tayo doon. So if you would love to join, you're very much welcome. So, kung hindi nyo naman po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no po. No? Cancer, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. So, Cancer, ang nakikita natin dito, parang hindi ka naniniwala sa isang pangako ng ating person na parang sinabi niya, pwede bang, kasi may mga challenges tayo ngayon sa relationship, no? Parang sabi ni person sa atin, pwede bang antayin mo ko? Pwede bang medyo wag muna tayong mag-usap ng ganito katagal, no? Or baka nababawasan itong mga efforts ni person. May mga sinasabi siya na reason pero hindi natin pa naniniwalaan. Chances are nagawa niya na ito before or chances are meron tayong na-experience na ganito with a different person sa mga exes natin. Parang sinasabi mo dito, I've seen it before. It might be the same game. It's just a different player. No? Parang sa'yo, nako, ito na ba? Parang kinukutuban tayo na ito ba ang magiging simula ng pagbabago, no, ng aming relationship. And yung pagbabago na ito is, sabihin natin, not something in our favor. So, we love the person so much and we're taking care of our connection, pero medyo kinakabahan tayo lately, no? For a few numbers of you who's in separation, baka nga naman, no, nandito na siya sa sinasabi niya na babalik ako, or probably you know that this person's going to come back, pero parang meron kang mga nakikita, no, or nababalitaan na parang the person is already moving forward. Let's check some more cards here. I feel like somewhat, no, sabihin natin itong taong ito is nasa ibang lugar. I'm not limiting it to those OFW, no? Baka naman nasa ibang city lang, no? Or nasa kabilang barangay, we don't know. Pero ang nakikita natin dito, the person is actually seeking for options. Options here might be, you know, wanting a different location, wanting a different job, or wanting a different person. Yun yung nakakakaba. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups, the Six of Cups, and the Five of Wands. So, namimiss na natin, no? Itong mga, sabihin natin, mga ginagawa ninyo dati, which is nabawasan nga kung every Sunday, lumalabas tayo. Sandali lang nga. Kung lumalabas tayo, medyo every 2 weeks na lang or every once a month. So parang kailan ko ba uli ma-experience, no, na maibalik yung dating relationship namin, no, namin ni person. I believe even the communication here is not that fluid anymore. Parang nilagay tayo sa isang tabi and then we are just waiting, no? For a few numbers of you were actually waiting for your person to figure it out, no? Sana, siguro nagdadasal din tayo na sana malagpasan niya, no? Itong mga tasks na gusto niyang gawin para at least pag natapos na yon, maibabalik, no, itong relationship. The Ace of Pentacles, the King of Wands, the Ten of Swords, the Two of Pentacles. Uy, parang kinakabahan talaga tayo na nandun tayo sa part na more on negative na itong mga naiisip natin. Siguro nag-overthink tayo, no? Wala pa naman doon sa part na sobrang malabo. Pero parang feeling mo itong decision ni person parang dadating dun sa part na magkakalabuan, no? Kinausap mo na yung person mo, and I think the fear here is for you to be in separation with your person. The World card and the Queen of Wands. The King and Queen of Wands is here. You've said your part, and I believe that the person also did. Explained, no? Yung kanyang plans. Also your plans here, pero parang you're not on the same boat, no? You're not even on the same direction. Someone here feels like, uy, nagmamadali naman siya. Parang hindi naman niya naiintindihan yung situation ko. Now, this could be you, this could be your person. You can switch the energies. What I am reading here is the dynamic, by the way. Two of Pentacles clarified by the Three of Pentacles and the Five of Pentacles. Masyadong na-advance itong mga pag-iisip natin. But from what I am seeing in here, chances are, you might gonna be experiencing a rocky situation. Now, what is happening with the communication in here, the High Priestess and the Two of Swords? So, parang sa'yo, kapag ginawa na ito ni person, you know that things are not gonna be the same anymore. Ang lakas ng kutob mo no? Na you may be going to face challenges and obstacles in this relationship. Baka nga iniisip mo, nagdadahilan nga lang ba ito si person kaya hindi kami masyadong nag-uusap ngayon? No? Nako, magandang tanong yan. No? If you have some questions, I'm going to tell you later. But let's check how to ask me. No? Now is not the time. So it felt like there's someone here probably realized that this connection I might put this connection into pause because it's not working for me. No, probably in the later time, in the not so distant future, but somewhat this LDR, if I may say, no, or this pause is not going to work for me anymore. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Leo, Pisces, Virgo, Scorpio, so Sagittarius, Cancer, Capricorn. Yeah, so that is your reading, no? So Cancer, baka kapwa Cancer yun, no? This is your reading. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel po yun, that's Babaylan TV. And kung di nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. So, Cancer, kilalang kilala nyo yung sarili ninyo. Kung feeling niyo hindi talaga kayo or masasatisfy sa yes or no na sasagot, no, or sagot, dumiretso na kayo dun sa ating link sa ating website. Nasa description box po siya. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website, no? Unang bubungad sa inyo yung question form. So, hindi lang siya kasi kasya sa screen, no? Ibaba nyo lang po. Makikita nyo po yung mga QR codes, and there's actually a designated QR codes, how much per question, the name, the number for your reference, and Cancer, kung gusto nyo pong i-avail itong promotion na 4 questions plus 1, take advantage of it. That's actually a discounted price with a free question, no? If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa same page, no? Pero kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali at gusto niyo sumali sa ating raffle na manalo ng um, free reading, no? Free personal reading. And when I say it's free, it's totally free, no? Kahit piso, wala kayo ilalabas. All you have to do is to report those fake accounts na nasa description box, um, screenshot no those reports, and then send it to the designated email. Ayan. Once nagapi natin yan, we will be bubunot tayo no, ng winner for a private reading. Ayan. So, Cancer, meron po tayong mga videos na hindi po nakapost dito sa YouTube, katulad ng mga X-Files, no? If you still care about your exes, nandun po siya sa ating Facebook account. Dun po sa website ko, makikita niyo yung mga icons ng social medias. Click nyo lang yung icons, let's say, TikTok. Makikita nyo dun yung TikTok icon. Click nyo yon, i-route na kayo agad doon sa TikTok account, or Facebook, i-route na kayo agad doon sa Facebook. This is your reading, Cancer, Love and Light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.